Sometimes you will be working with large worksheets or large workbooks with multiple sheets. Large sheets means more data, so it's definitely good to know how to search a sheet efficiently if you're looking for something in particular. This morning, Ishan lost his phone. Again. Probably for the 5th time this year. Anyway, today he was certain that it wasn't lost, but just misplaced. He had used it on the way to work, so it had to be somewhere in the office. The team searched high and low, but there was no sign of Ishan's phone. Alia even checked the fridge. Ishan felt like a clown when it turned up under papers on his desk. Now back to work, Ishan has a big Excel file to review. He asks Alia if there's a quick way to search Excel worksheets. Surely it won't take him as long to find what he's looking for than it took to find his phone. Ishan is looking at a spreadsheet containing information on Food2Go's delivery team. Along with ensuring 5-star service and top quality, Food2Go's #1 priority is safety. They've recently launched a new safety training program, and Ishan wants to make sure that all delivery team members complete this without delay. But he also needs to make sure that trainings are staggered to keep deliveries running smoothly. So he decides to organize trainings by delivery area. How can Ishan search this worksheet to find out which team members deliver in the North region and haven't completed the safety training yet? He can obviously search the sheet manually, but that would be quite tedious and take a long time. Also, it's easy to make mistakes if he misses any cells. Alia tells Ishan that Excel's Find and Replace toolbox is just what he needs. The Find feature allows us to specify what we are looking for on our spreadsheets, maybe a word, phrase, or particular number, and Excel will search and locate it almost instantly for us. We can access the Find tool by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F, or we can just click the last icon on our home ribbon, which is Find and Select. Then click on Find, and the Find and Replace toolbox will open. In this box, just type the phrase you want to find. In our case, we want to identify the delivery team members for the North region. Then click Find Next, and if Excel manages to find the word or phrase, the cell will be selected. Now, if you click on Find Next again, Excel will then show you the next cell that fulfills your search criteria. If we want to know how many cells in total fulfill our search criteria on our spreadsheet, we can click Find All. Excel will then list every instance of the search term and show us exactly where they are located. This is especially helpful when sheets are very large or when searching a workbook with multiple sheets, because we can see the sheet the term appears on along with the exact cell reference. Now this value column displays the complete value of each cell found. Have you noticed that Excel has identified cells that contain North in any form, whether alone or Northeast or Northwest? This is because Excel is just looking for the word North anywhere on the sheet in whatever form it appears. If we click on Options, we will see advanced search criteria and then can further specify what we're looking for. We can tell Excel where to search, whether within a specific sheet or across multiple sheets in a workbook, whether to search by row or column, and we can even tell Excel whether to look inside formulas, values, or comments to see if they include the term we're looking for. These additional options can help us narrow down our results. If our search term is case sensitive, we can tell Excel to match the case by ticking this box. And if we want our search term to match the entire contents of a cell, we should tick this second box. We can also tell Excel if we want to restrict our results to a certain cell format by clicking here. This feature can be helpful if we want to see results that are only in maybe date or number format, for example. Now in Ishan's case, since we only want to find out the delivery team for the North region, we should tick the Match Entire Cell Contents box. This way, any cells containing northeast or northwest will be eliminated from our search results. Now if we click Find All again, we will see that Excel has identified only 10 instances of the exact term north appearing on our worksheet. But remember, we want to identify only those people delivering in the north who haven't done the safety training. So now we can look through the north team members identified by clicking on Find Next and highlight the ones that have a no in the safety training column to help us keep track of them. Now Ishan has a good idea of how many people delivering to the north region need to attend the safety training. And it was much quicker than just going through the spreadsheet manually. Excel's sort and filter function would have also been very useful for this type of search, and we'll learn all about that later.